Very good morning. In this session, I'm going to perform a task of front-end project setup and execution workflow. So at the end of the session, student can successfully clone the front-end code database and they can locally deploy it with the necessary dependencies and they can run the application in localhost 5173 port number and they can verify all the US screens and navigation flow. So there are two software is required to do the exercise. One is VS Code and Node.js. You can download it from the official website and you can do the necessary configuration. So first of all, I just want to pull or clone the repository from the URL given with the command git clone followed by the URL. After that, I just want to open the source code into the Visual Studio Code for better interface. So next, I just want to install the dependencies with the npm install command, followed by to run the application, I can use npm run dev. I can see the final deployed application over localhost 5173 port number. So let me do the demonstration of this. So first of all, I just copy the URL. So let me go to the folder what I already have it, the name source code. You just create one folder source code. Now open this command prompt with the same path and I just want to clone this repository with the command git clone. Keep this URL, just to download this repository. So once the repository gets downloaded, again open the command prompt with the same path and give the command code space dot to open the full source code into the Visual Studio Code. Now the entire application is loaded into the Visual Studio Code. Let me go to the terminal. Let me open the command prompt and the first command is I just want to install the dependency because here there is node module is not exist. I just want to install the dependency npm install. So now all the dependencies were successfully installed and let me run the application with the command npm run dev npm run dev and you can see that the deployed application now available over localhost 5173. So this project micro task hub is successfully the front design is completed. The front end is now completed the deployment and here there were two things. One is the sign up page, another one is the login page. And login page contain two text boxes. One is for username, another one is for the text, the password field. The sign up page contain the full name, mobile number, email address, password and retype password followed by one register button. So let me go to the main file called src folder, open the main.jsx. So this main.jsx contain the routing. So these route contain which will call this app.jsx. Let me go to the app.jsx. So here in this app.jsx we have defined one useState function. So then the designing for the front end, that is login and sign up page under this written part. So here there are two functions we are calling. One is the sign in function, another one is a sign up function. So whenever the button gets clicked, these two functions will be called. And here we are written the function sign in as well as sign up. So for these two we need to add the endpoints in the backend. So this will be continued in the next coming sessions. And now we have successfully cloned our repository and we done the required dependencies. We have done with the required dependency and successfully deployed with the localhost 5173. Thank you.